Hey guys, welcome back. This is a very quick video. So today we are generate Dogecoin from this address. It's a Dogecoin website. So just paste your Dogecoin address here. I'm just go into my wallet and going Dogecoin receipt and copy my Dogecoin address. Then come here. Look, 195 Dogecoin for my this address. I am click withdraw and now send fee. Copy the address and go to Trust Wallet. Click send button. Select Dogecoin. Paste the address. Send 17 Dogecoin. Click confirm. So it pending. Wait. Let's check. Yes, I have sent. Look, congratulations. But here is pending. It received fee. Now go to home. Just wait. It needs some time. Yes, guys, you can see I have received 400 Dogecoin and I'm show you the transactions history. See, it is still pending, but I am received 195 Dogecoin. So this is a amazing way to earning Dogecoin. You can find this website link in my video comment box or my YouTube channel bio. If you have any questions, you can comment. I will reply your comment. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.